students. I'm Isabel Pimentel, content coordination, media strategy, and journalist with more than 14 years of proven experience and content creation. We are launching here in Comunicação Integrada a new project. We will start recording videos in English. Yes, it's a challenging activity, but then we can achieve a new audience. Students all over the world that want to improve their planning and communication skills. So, today I'll bring you a special checklist for social media creating content, and I hope this checklist can help you to achieve better engagement results on your social media channel. Let's see with you. Then we can start together and learn how to create a digital media strategy. Let's go. So this is our social media creation checklist. The first step to create a great, huge social media strategy is ideation and goal setting. You don't start creating content by make a post. Before diving into your business and content creation projects, it's essential to define objects and be aware if you want to achieve a greater brand awareness, audience engagement, or lead generation. It's essential to define your target audience. Who are you speaking to? What are their interests? Who is your brand persona? The first step of content creation checklist is content planning and then strategy development. Do you have a content calendar? You can develop a schedule that balances promotional, educational, and entertainment content. Then you need to select a platform. Which social media platform will you use to publish your channel and achieve your audience? The third step is to define tone and voice. You need to be consistent with your brand personality. What's your brand tone? The fourth step is the content creation process. Here is where your creative meets strategy. You need to have great visual design, graphics, animations that can tailor each content to each platform. You can invest in copywriting strategies, craft compelling captions and headlines to spark audience and encouraging action. And then another strategy is storytelling, building narratives that connect your brand to your audience. And the final step is optimizing content for your platform, analyzing and monitoring results, the so-called KPIs. Each platform has its nuance. Each platform has its image sizes and KPIs. So you can use specific hashtags and keywords to deliver your content through social media. I hope you can use this material to help your clients, your brands to have better social media results. See you next time. Bye bye.